Okay, it's kind of loud, but we'll try this anyway. We've got a bumper that Chris is going to try and straighten up, so I'm going to show you guys the before, and hopefully the after will be much, much better. Alright, here's our before. As you can see, that bumper is not pointing the way that it should be. It's kind of tilted down. This is on a Freightliner Cascadia, of course. And we're going to try and straighten this bumper up, see if we can make it look, you know, a little bit more normal, a little bit more presentable. So I'll check back in with Chris later and see what he's doing. Alright, so update on this bumper. Obviously not done yet, but we're getting there. Chris has removed the bumper. Looks like he's taking a look at the braces to see what needs to be straightened out. It may not be perfect when we're done, but it is going to be better than it was. And Chris is doing some bending and repairing. He's playing with fire. Let me get over here by the fire. Ooh. Woo! This is what happens when you get to play in the chrome shop. You play with fire. I trust he knows what he's doing. So that shop has been super busy the last 2 days. We have pretty much had 2 trucks we're working on and then 2 trucks waiting in line behind them. It's a good problem to have, and I think it's because it's gotten prettier outside. It's not rainy and cold and gross anymore, so we're thankful for that. It's very good. Alright, here's Chris cleaning up his mess. This bumper looks like 5,000 times better than it did, Chris.
Yep.
Yep, that's all he's got to say. He took it off, he played with fire, bent some braces back into place. I hope the driver's very happy.